Hello friends and welcome to Lexlore. In this video we'll be talking about the concept of nuisance along with the concept of assault and battery under tort law. So let's start. Nuisance. Nuisance means interference with the lawful use or enjoyment of land or property. So if there is an interference with the lawful use or enjoyment of someone's land or property, then it may lead to nuisance. The interference must be substantial interference and it should be unreasonable. Substantial interference means it should not be very small, it should not be trivial in nature, it must be substantial. And it should be unreasonable as well. What are the kinds? There are two kinds. First is the private nuisance, that is affecting only private individual, and the second is the public nuisance, an act which cause injury, obstruction or danger to public at large. Such act is known as public nuisance. Example is, in case of private nuisance, if there is escape of smoke from one property to another property, is an example of private nuisance, because here the private individual is getting affected and not public at large. In case of public nuisance, for example, if there is an offensive smell or intolerable voice which is affecting public at large, the whole community, the whole society, then it is public nuisance. Best example will be if someone is parking a car in the middle of road, because of which the whole traffic is being blocked, then such an act is leading to public nuisance. Let us try some more example. Suppose A has a land. Situation 1, that A is making use of such land for his own enjoyment and the neighbors are not getting disturbed. So here there is no nuisance. Second situation, if A installs a factory, that too in residential area, or a factory of some harmful substances because of which other people are getting obstruction, then such an act leads to an infringement of others' right, and here the nuisance is being caused. If it affects the public at large, it will be known as public nuisance. If it will affect only private individual, then it will be private nuisance. Next is assault and battery. Here I will be taking the example of X and Y. So X and Y are different persons. First, let us understand battery. So battery is offensive physical contact to Y without Y's consent or any legal justification. Someone is extending offensive physical contact to Y without any legal justification. Now assault is an act of X to Y causing reasonable apprehension of immediate infliction of battery on Y by X. So X is acting towards Y. In such an apprehension is being caused to Y that there will be a immediate infliction of battery. So battery is physical contact. Difference of actual contact is necessary. Here in battery, physical contact is there, but in assault there is only an apprehension. Example, if someone is pointing gun, pulling the trigger, knowing that no bullet is inside, such case it is called as assault. Battery, someone slaps someone. Physical contact without legal justification. The test for assault is there must be a reasonable apprehension on the mind of public that yes, he will get injured. In case of battery, the intention of touching is not necessary. Actual contact is sufficient. So suppose even if there is no intention or knowledge on the part of X to Y and there is an actual contact, then it is sufficient to constitute the offense of battery. Thank you for watching. If you have any query or suggestion, please write on the comments below. Do like, share and subscribe for more updates.